when you bring people together who are like-minded, who are ready to take risks, who are ready to innovate, who are ready to do, then of course there's a lot of energy in the room, and that's what I felt. Slovenians should look at their country again and identify many opportunities that are there which you haven't looked at before. I mean, Slovenia needs to have a shift in mindset of its politicians, but the only way to convince them is to show them all the opportunities there. The state could never take up, but the entrepreneurs can do. And that is how we can bring together the energy for the whole nation.